Do you know some English but still have trouble expressing yourself in social situations? If yes, then this is the right podcast for you to improve your daily English conversation skills. This podcast presents a lot of useful phrases and sentences you would never think of unless you come across them. It contains plenty of common corrections used by native English speakers in everyday life. It covers topics such as meeting new people and making small talk, dating and visiting friends, eating out, emergencies, situations and doctor's appointments, car and flat rental, staying in hotels and traveling by air, shopping and much more. As always, I'll be playing the characters. All you have to do now is to sit back and enjoy your listening. Hey guys, welcome back to Look and Listen English Lessons Conversation Practice with me, Sharon Fay. I'm so glad you're here. Today's topic, dating in English. Now this episode is for you if you're learning English and want to talk about romance or relationships, you want to practice natural conversations or meeting new people, or you're just curious about how dating culture works in English-speaking countries. We'll go through vocabulary and phrases, real dialogues with acting, practice sections where you'll speak with me, and fun, reflective moments too. So let's dive in, and I recommend grabbing a notebook or just relaxing and repeating along. Vocabulary and cultural notes part 1. Let's begin with some common expressions people use when dating in English. Would you like to go out sometime? You have a great smile. I really enjoy spending time with you. I think we have good chemistry. Do you want to hang out again? Now, in many English-speaking cultures, dating is more casual at the beginning. People often go for coffee, walks, or lunch instead of dinner first. Online dating is very common. Apps like Bumble, Tinder, and others. Now, let's pause for a moment. What's dating like in your country? Is it more formal, more group-oriented? Please let me know in the comments below.
Excuse me, are you reading Pride and Prejudice? Yes, I am. I love Jane Austen. Same here. That's actually one of my favorite novels. Mind if I say it? Not at all. Go ahead. Well, I'm James. Nice to meet you, James. I'm Lena. So, Lena, do you come here often? A few times a week. I like the quiet. So, would you like to get a coffee sometime? That would be lovely. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Look and Listen English Lessons, Dating in English. If you'd like to practice even more, I've created a free PDF with the full episode transcript, vocabulary and phrases, role play scenes, fun exercises for speaking and listening practice. So download your copy now and keep learning at home. Let me know how your practice goes, and don't forget to share your voice recordings or role plays with me on Instagram or Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. So keep listening, keep learning with Sharon Fay, your guide to confident English conversation. Breakdown and practice. Now let's break everything that we heard so far down. Let's see. Mind if I sit? This is a polite way of saying, can I sit with you? Now you go. Say, mind if I... Mind if I call you later? Mind if I join you? Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Would you like to get a coffee? Now let's add some extra vocabulary you might hear or want to use. It's all about compliments. You have a great sense of humor. I love the way you think. You're really fun to talk to. Flirting is friendly, casual. Are you always this charming? I feel like we've met before. These are boundaries important to express. Let's see. I prefer to take things slow. I'm not ready for anything serious right now. Can we just be friends? Repeat the phrases after me and think about what feels comfortable for you to say. Let's go again. Compliments. You have a great sense of humor. Say that. I love the way you think. Say that. You're really fun to talk to. Say that. Listen, this is the flirting part. Are you always this charming? I feel like we've met before. Repeat after me. I prefer to take things slow. I'm not ready for anything serious right now. Can we just be friends? In this dialogue, Lena is telling her friend Maya what happened at the cafe.
I met someone at the cafe today. He noticed my book and started talking to me.
Oh, wow. Was he cute?
Very, and polite. He asked me if I wanted to grab a coffee sometime. And I said yes.
Later, James is in the scene.
Hey Lena, I was thinking, would you like to go out for a walk this weekend? Yes, I'd love to.
Pronunciation practice. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Would you like to go for a walk?
Would you like to go for a walk?
I'd love to.
I'd love to.
That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
First date at a restaurant.
Well, I'm glad we could meet tonight.
Me too. This place is beautiful. So, what do you usually do on weekends? Mostly study. I've been focused on improving my English.
Well, you're doing really well, honestly.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Now, would you like to try the tiramisu?
Oh, sure, but we'll share that. Guided speaking role play. Let's create your own scene. You're on a first date. Imagine you're at a restaurant or walking in a park. Use these expressions. So, what do you do?
So, what do you do?
Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Would you like to do this again sometime?
Would you like to do this again sometime?
I give you 30 seconds now to speak. Now try it again, but slower and with emotion. Now whisper it. Now say it excitedly. You are amazing. You're training your voice and your vocabulary, so well done you. Hey there, listeners. Let's check what we just learned this week. So, we had vocabulary for meeting someone, cultural tips about dating in English-speaking countries, dialogues and role plays. We learned about expressing boundaries and how to give compliments. So now, let me challenge you a little bit. This week, write a 3-minute dialogue of a first or second date. Record yourself reading both parts. Share it with a teacher, partner, or even, if you like, send it to me if you want to have a feedback. And let's reflect a little bit. What kind of relationship are you looking for? Are you looking for romantic relationship, friendship, language exchange? Take 5 minutes after this podcast to journal about it in English. And that's it for today. If you love this episode, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Bye for now, and maybe happy dating. Thanks for listening to Look and Listen English Lessons podcast. To continue improving your English, you are welcome to join my channel and watch the videos on different topics and levels. Till next time, bye bye.